Namaste, good evening, everyone. Good evening. I think some of you, good to see all the known faces, Dhavalji, Deepakji, some of our volatility coaches also, Samir, and Rashmi ji also is there. So good to see everyone. So with this, it's a very short session, friends. There is nothing, something which is extraordinary which is going to be shared. But again, yes, I was just showing you the clips of the last year's conference, which was done in the month of July, which was the first time the conference was done virtually, and this year again it will be happening in the month of September, again with the Economic Times. So I think things have changed, and in last 1 year, all of us have learned a lot of things, and this is really looking serious again. So hopefully things will be better with whatever way we are going and moving. I'll just run you through a few points, and I will also share how we all can actually do virtual conferences. Okay, we have in-depth sessions for the members, but the overall idea, this is the need of the hour. ये इस समय की जरूरत है, and you just cannot avoid it when it is just becoming difficult to reach out to clients, go and meet him, or maybe colleagues, or maybe your partners, your sub brokers and things like that. तब आपके पास एक ही तरीका बच जाता है कि आप जितने ज्यादा हो सके वर्चुअली इवेंट्स करें, लेकिन वो वर्चुअली इवेंट्स एंगेजिंग होने चाहिए, इंटरेस्टिंग होने चाहिए, थोड़ा सा उसमें ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए सो दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प योर इन्वेस्टर. सो आज हम लोग कुछ चीजों का वैसा डेमो देखेंगे, हाउ वी ऑल कैन एक्चुअली डू दैट. ओके, सो and not only that, some of us like who are already volatility coaches and FFF Pro members, you can also share some of your feedbacks and things at the end, so that everybody knows how we all are doing, what is all happening around. Okay, so to start with, how important is virtual presentation? With day by day, it is becoming more and more important. ओके, अगर आप स्टेज पे या ऑलरेडी आपने बहुत ग्रुप में बहुत लोगों के संग प्रेजेंटेशन किया है, नहीं किया है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी एबल टू डू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्क्रीन. And the best part is, even if you are not a very good presenter publicly on the stage, but on the screen actually you can become very good. Because सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है ना कि यहाँ पे कोई सामने नहीं है. ओके, सो यू कैन जस्ट हैव योर पिक्चर एंड देन द प्रेजेंटेशन एंड एवरीथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. और अगर डर भी है तो भी यहाँ पे वो चीजें बहुत अच्छे से हो सकती है. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट प्रेजेंटिंग वर्चुअली. You can reach out to anyone anywhere because this is the new norm. अभी एक नया तरीका है of life, नया तरीका है to do business, नया तरीका है क्लाइंट को बढ़ाने का, नया तरीका है क्लाइंट्स के संग एंगेज करने का. And for this there are two ways wherein we encourage people and we continuously do the training and learning. One is by way of becoming a volatility coach, and second is by way of becoming a FFF Pro members, Financial Freedom Fraternity. See, anyone who has attended RVCC or maybe 21-week program or maybe any of the programs, he is anyway a Financial Freedom Fraternity member. But Pro membership is something wherein you get something so that you can do those things with your investors, with the people around you, and engage them. So that's the whole idea of becoming a Pro member. Okay, so that you can have tools and various other things also. Now, how can we make it little different? Making it a little different is with gamifications. That's again what I think, gamification and engagement. So find fun. You have to create fun. so that know that engagement is there. Okay, I will show you certain things today where you can engage yourself and you will be able to see how we all can do it, how you can actually do it. If I can do it, and if volatility coaches can do it, like anybody can do it. That's the whole idea. So what we are going to share today, first is the FFF Pro membership. This is like an annual membership, which was there, but again, this is relaunched and in a new form and a new avatar today. And then this is the volatility coach. This is there. Currently, we have 100 volatility coaches across India. We will talk about that also a little bit. And then about the conference with Economic Times every year, which we are doing. So conference is happening for the second time, but with Economic Time, this partnership and the magazine will be coming up for the third time. So this year, this conference is about, it's a leadership conclave. It's just not a conference, and what we are expecting and all, we can just share about that. So let's first understand what is FFF Pro membership, uske andar mein kya hai, and then we will also see how we can engage investors through these tools, whatever we have. Okay. As I wrote, how you can identify mutual funds. There are 20-30 schemes. Out of that, 2 or 3 schemes, बहुत सारे flexi cap funds हैं. उसमें से कौन सा अच्छा flexi cap fund है, किस fund house का है, how you will do that, we will do it today and we will see it. So that you can do it in front of your client or maybe at the back of whatever your clients are. Sorry. This is also something very, very interesting wherein I will just show you this today, how you can just do a retirement planning in front of all your clients virtually, how you can actually create a composite financial plan, how you can show a systematic transfer plan or a withdrawal plan or compare it with ELSS and all these things. That's something which you will be able to see today. So this is how the whole thing is concerned. You will have a mutual fund analysis portal where you can just through ratios and analysis you can identify कौन सा fund flexi cap fund है या global fund है या ELSS fund है or a debt fund, which one is better and which one you can actually share it with an investor. And then fund, equity fund, let's say you want to talk, your client is asking भाई मेरे पास Reliance भी है, ITC भी है, मैं कौन सा रखूं, or which fund, which is the stock which you recommend, if you are recommending or don't recommend, but you can just share that this is the fund, this is something you can help your client to understand and analyze that these are fundamentally good equities, अगर आप इसको रखो तो खराब नहीं है. And then you can create a financial plan in 5 minutes, 5 minutes mein you can create a 1-page financial plan. And this is not coming under advice, but under incidental advice. Okay. This is very, very important to understand that you are actually using some data, some tools, something like that, and you are actually getting it done. So you are just doing an incidental advice and you are not just analyzing and doing everything. Okay. It's done all by a particular software or an artificial intelligence tool. And then you have these calculators. I will just show that to you. And now the best part is with this FFF Pro membership, this year the conference is only by invitation, and this is only for volatility coaches and FFF Pro members. And obviously the speakers will be there. So volatility coaches anyways will be there. They have to register. That is what they are doing. Even they are also paying a nominal fees for that. But for FFF Pro members with the membership, which is a 1-year membership, this is included. So you need not pay anything extra for this. This is only a part of this whole program. Plus you get a 10 masterclass in the next 1 year. And these masterclass are amazingly will be helpful to you so that you can actually ensure that you can actually grow to 2x. Acha, plus this conference will also have that CPE, CFP, all those people who are CFPs, they will be getting 9 points out of that also. And you become a part of this tribe member. Let's look at the conference. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, the theme is from ancient India, but it is applicable in today's. It's like a leadership conclave. नाम है सप्तांग. सप्तांग means 7 pillars of leadership and for a successful organization. सबसे पहला होता है स्वामी, the king. तो as on today, you yourself, let's say Mr. Vasant Prabhu, you are the king. And now how you are going to manage your organization so that you can grow. So this is about the whole conference. Second is your minister, your CEO of your company, who is going to take care of your things, your manager. How are they recruited? What you should do with them so that no, they can actually help you to grow the business. After that, it comes your Janapada, means your market, and then your Durga. Durga means your fortified city. Earlier, we used to think that our office infrastructure is, but today, your online portal, your website, your online engagement, that becomes your Durga, that becomes your infrastructure. How this is being done. Your finances, kosher, that I think everybody knows, all the CIOs are there. But this is like important, your dand. Dand means your army, your team. For this, no, we are having we will have all there will be all specific speakers for each topic. Like for army, we are inviting Shivanand ji, who was the police commissioner of Mumbai city at the time of that Taj terror attack. Okay, so he is going to share how, as a team, he ensured that everybody, all the terrorists go out, and that strategy we can use in our own company. So similarly, we will have like people like, some of them we are trying, maybe, I'm just not naming them as of now, but they are all like the best of the best Swamis, Amatyas, and the army general and things like that, so that they will be sharing their experiences during this leadership program. So that's again a very, very ambitious and a very a conference which we really look forward to in September 2021. So again, the whole idea is from 3rd to 5th September. This is the program. Saptanga is the conference, and these are like the 7 pillars of success. And this program is in association with Economic Times, so that we can have awards, reward recognitions also. Yes, we run every month Beyond Classroom series. Okay, so season 1 was about retirement, 2 was on confidence, 3 is we are running right now on presentation skills. So the 4th is on international practice management. If you can see that we will have speakers from Canada, USA, Malaysia, Australia, UAE, and United Kingdoms. So these financial advisors, they will be sharing all the details which is written like in the topic form, whether it is family business, guerrilla marketing, technology, cryptocurrency, asset allocation, commodities, currencies, trading in the stock exchanges of the world, will planning in Southeast Asia, SIP, International Mutual Fund, mortgage broking, estate planning. So all these things, no, they will be talking about, but whatever way they are doing their business in their country. Our idea is how we can learn from them. So my dear friends, this particular program is complimentary for all the FFF Pro members and volatility coaches. Anyway, it is complimentary. So this is going to be something which is very, very unique. And I'm sure we all will be learning a lot in the month of May and June as far as this program is concerned. So these are like 6 master classes. And now I'm going to share about how the volatility coach program runs, and then we will have the online demo. That's about volatility coach which is there, and this is the magazine which we come up with, wherein all the volatility coaches can share their client's success story, financial success story, and they are covered. This is once in a year event, so this is the third time which we will be coming up with this. So this is the magazine which is which talks about investors' success, investors' financial success, which is again shared by the coaches, so that people know that what good work volatility, even MFDs are doing, so that they remain with the advisors forever. About VC, which we are not sharing, and neither I am asking you to just become a volatility coach today. But yes, there are 2 plans. One is a life membership, which is 1 lakh rupees plus GST. And if some people wish, they can even join annually also by paying 25 GST every year. This is per annum. Okay. So that's how you are also licensed to conduct RVCC programs and various other things, which is already there. You have the license, you have the products, you have the softwares. So this is there. But again, I encourage everyone to start with FFF Pro, okay? And then depending on your experience and all, then you become a volatility coach, okay? Because volatility coach is, yes, no way, it will have a lot of things, a lot of advantages. But again, to start, I think I'll be showing you how and what it is all included there. So as of now, what we are doing, the membership is for 1 year. This is from 1st July to 30th June 2020. But if you are becoming a member now, which means from the month of May and June, you are getting like bonus months. You will have like 14 months access instead of 12 months. Plus, you will also get season 4 master classes along with this, and also the conference. So this is all coming to you at as a FFF Pro members. So this is what the whole detail is there, which I have already shared, and the link and all, everything is there. Now what we will see is, yes, I'll be able to help you, and I will show you the portal first, and then we will take questions and answers. Okay. So coming to the, so let's directly, this is again a portal which is there for coaches. We have two portals, two icons on the screen where you can actually see one is for volatility coaches and one is for the FFF Pro members. So currently, let's take an example. There are many, but let's do retirement planning first. Okay. So let's say if you want to do something for your investors, you have a group of investors who are just sitting in front of you, and you can just want to talk about retirement planning. So you have your PPT, presentations, everything ready. Now what you can do is go in front of them and talk about something. Let's say you want to retire today, amount you want to have when you want to retire. So let's say 50 lakhs. So you can even increase or decrease it amount, whatever. Let's say 50 lakh is something which you look forward when you want to retire. Okay, and you can just change your age. You can say current age is, let's say, 40. Okay, and see the figures are changing on the right side, and the age you want to retire is maybe at the age of 60. Okay, then I will share how things will be different. Expected rate of return 5%. And see, this has to be very, very fast. Even the clients don't have time to wait for your doing things and all. Maybe no, after 1 or 2 times you have done it, it becomes very, very easy. And expected rate is there, expected rate of return on your investment, maybe you can make it, let's say 12% or whatever you want, depending on whatever your client is agreeing with you. And if you can have a current investment also, or you can say that I have no current investment. The current investment is 0. Okay. So now what has to be done? Now what you can see is that the retirement corpus, which is actually required, is 1.32 crores. Okay, so current investment, nothing is there. Or let's make something like everybody will have something. So let's say he is having 7.5 lakhs with him. Okay, so 7.5 lakh is there, and this money, if this growth of your savings, this will grow to, let's say, at the rate of 12%, it will grow to around 72 lakhs. The final targeted amount is this. Number of years 20. Which means 6,200 is the savings which is required after the 20 years, and the total amount invested is this much, and finally the total growth is around 45 lakhs. So this way, remember that you spend more on a holiday and not on your normal days. So retirement is just like a long holiday. So if this way, basically when you are showcasing it to a client, okay, whether it is on a virtual platform or whether you are doing it in a group or something like that, and maybe not 2 or 3 people, you can just take an example, sir, tell your age and tell what is the amount, and you just do it and you just create this whole thing, and maybe you can create a PDF and share it with your investors. This is again, I'm talking about the virtual meetings when you are doing. For the other calculators like financial planning and all, there is a separate thing which is already there, that also I will share. But this is how it works. And now let's say normally if you have seen SIPs you must have seen, but again this is going to be little different than what you have normally seen. So what you will have to tell him, sir, when was your son born, or when was like that you got married? Okay, so he will tell a particular date. Okay, so what we will do, if you would have started some SIP on that particular date, तो सर आज क्या होता? ठीक है, चलिए हम लोग कोई एक फ्लेक्सी कैप ही ले लेते हैं फंड, and maybe monthly if you are investing, and let's say you have invested 5,000 rupees. Now you can select a fund, any fund if you wish to. Let's say put a flexi cap le liya, or any fund. In fact, if you want, you can add more funds also. You can have 2-3 varieties of funds. Okay, so that एक और ऐड कर देते हैं हम लोग. Let's take another fund like Axis Flexi Cap. And then let's say somebody bolta nahi, my son was born somewhere in the month of in 2013 he was born. ठीक है, so you have taken that 2013 January, maybe 20th January he was born, and that day you started, and then end maybe you can keep it today. So उसने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया नहीं है, पर आपने एक डेट उसको लिया है. द आइडिया इज यू हैव टू क्रिएट दैट क्यूरियोसिटी. सर इफ यू वुड हैव डन दैट क्या होता? Then what happens, you just put a search, and then there is something which happens below, and then the summary comes. Like in Kotak Flexi Cap, if you would have invested, probably yes, Axis is actually only 41, so it will not show you that result. But again, this is like 100 installments, and you have invested 5 lakh rupees, and the current value is something around 9,23,000. Okay, which is a 14.52% return. We could have taken some other fund also. Now this is there, plus then you will have both the funds details, like Kotak Flexi and Axis Flexi Cap Fund. You can take as many funds as you wish to, and then basically like you can just scroll it down and you can just see all the details, even what amount, kitna amount pe kab investment hua. You can take any date. The idea of showing these calculators and this tools online is you are creating that curiosity कि सर इस तारीख को आपने किया होता तो देखिए ये होता, and then he tells no, let me do some other funds, let me choose some other thing, so that's also fine. So you can actually do that also. So this way, not only SIPs, STP हम लोग use करते हैं when somebody is telling that I want a continuous return on whatever I have. If you want to compare it with PPF and ELSS, let's say, ये देखते हैं. This is also like quite interesting. Let's say SIPs हम लोग PPF में करते हैं. A lot of people tell no, I have been doing into PPF for so many years. So you tell him, sir, आप कब से कर रहे हैं PPF? तो वो बोलेगा मेरे को हो गया है 15 years हो गया है, और नहीं let's say 10 years हो गया है. तो ये बोला ठीक है सर 10 years मतलब 2013 से I am doing my PPF from January, let's say 1st January I am doing, until date I am doing. Okay sir, if you are doing there and there क्या difference होता? And ELSS में if you want to have, sorry, समझ लीजिए एक ICICI fund डाल दिया मैंने, okay, and you just put in search. So the idea is from that date, even the expense ratio and all is coming. So you have invested this much amount, and then compared to this, and then you have the whole fund also there. How different it becomes. So if you would have invested into a PPF, you would have got this return in last whatever the number of 100 installments hai na ye. So in 100 things, and with PPF and with this amount you are getting 8,70,000, and in PPF you would have got that. So again, this is the difference what is actually come, so that you can actually see and understand that किस चीज से क्या differentiate होता है. So that way, no, you can just have a human life value, retirement planning, asset allocator. So there are so many other things which is already there, and you can create a composite financial plan also. Okay. So now we'll just go to the next part. Any questions till now before we I'll just show you the analysis part. Anybody has any questions, you can just ask me or maybe no. Yes, the download option will be there and the PDF format also will be there. Excel format will also be there. Everything will be possible. And you can, any other question on this till now? Trying to increase your, okay. You want me to increase the volume. Okay, Pooja, okay. Probably I was speaking very fast. Yes, a lot of you have written a lot of things. Okay. So let's move to the other things wherein you can do analysis. एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट होती है क्लाइंट्स की कि हमको किस फंड में इन्वेस्ट कराना है और जिस फंड में हमने इन्वेस्ट किया है क्या वो अच्छा है या नहीं है, ठीक है. This is actually VC's platform, but again on we will not have all this, but only these mutual fund analysis tool and all will be there. So this way जो ये है ना, this is for pro login and this is for volatility coach login. Just a second. So now what we will be understanding is the mutual fund, how you can analyze a mutual fund, how you can analyze an equity. Okay. All those people who have done RVCC, you must have seen this tool because there is like debt, equity, and hybrid tool. So we are just coming to the equity tool, and practice session is like again playing a game where you know on the past data you practice and all. But again, the live data is something which is of more relevance to us as of now. See, currently this is again once in a month update. But from next month, we will have it every day daily updates over here so that now you can see the daily movement of the things. So I think you are anyway having 2 bonus months. So let's take an example of let's say FlexiCap की हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. So we want to identify, see we will have all this, all varieties of funds are there, ETF, global, sectorial, gold, index, thematic and all. So हम लोग जैसे FlexiCap में we want to identify, there are all funds, many of them are doing good. पर आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे which fund you want to suggest to your client. Okay, so there is something called ratio analysis. उसके लिए अलग से there is going to be a session which is again very important for you to do. आपको AUM देखना है, so देखा आपने AUM, some AUM like Kotak FlexiCap is having the highest AUM, HDFC is second, UTI is the third highest. So this way you know, so that the idea is आप ऐसे फंड में नहीं इन्वेस्ट कराएं जिसका AUM बहुत कम हो. Expense ratio is also there, you know which is the fund जिसका सबसे ज्यादा like Nippon का, Kotak का, these are the funds who have like very low P expense ratios and other slow and so forth. It keeps growing. उसके बाद में, but again this is again first thing descending. ये descending क्यों ले रहे हैं हम लोग कि CAGR, what is the compounded annual growth return? So if you see that these are the funds who have given a very good return in the last 1 year as far as the CAGR is concerned. So आपको क्या करना है? From this you identify. Okay, Franklin Fund again it is coming, but again we will also analyze certain other things. जैसे PGIM, but again maybe no it is less than 1,000 crore. So आप सोचोगे शायद नहीं लेना आपको. UTI, yeah, these funds look good. This is again CAGR wise, this has been good. Parag Parekh also looks good. So we have identified out of first 4, we have identified 2 funds and we have just given a tick there. Now standard deviation. Standard deviation क्या होता है? जितना कम हो उतना अच्छा है या जितना ज्यादा हो उतना अच्छा है. So the lower the better. Okay. So first these two funds, it is we are not taking anyways because they are less than 100 crore, 1,000 crore also, and they are not very old FOF funds, so they have not returns. So इसमें आ रहा है IDFC FlexiCap. If you see standard deviation wise, this is one of the top funds. So IDFC top fund में आ गया है 5,200 crores flexi cap fund. And then we go to the Sortino ratio. We will explain each one of them, not today, but again इसमें जितना ज्यादा रहेगा Sortino ratio उतना बढ़िया है. So इसमें again PGIM flexi cap, Parag Parekh and Kotak flexi cap has also come. So let's take Kotak flexi cap also. We are just selecting अलग-अलग criteria में which one is looking better. So sharp ratio में again we will see which one is doing better. So this and again PGIM and Parag Parekh, both of them are coming, and UTI, Kotak. So more or less same funds are coming again and again. So on all the criteria. So that way it helps us to understand which one is better. Negative count. Which fund has less negative counts? I think they are the good funds. So अगर हम लोग देखें, ये दोनों तो खैर अलग है. तो देखें Parag Parekh has been having the lowest negative count, which is 1 time. So even Parag Parekh, UTI, Kotak. So these are the funds which are doing better as far as negative count, how many times they are negative. Okay, so that is very, very important. So and this is again very important, information ratio. ये भी जितना ज्यादा हो, which means that the fund manager is going to create an alpha for that. उस fund manager के पास, उस fund के पास इतनी information है कि he is trying to create an alpha. So this is more the better. So again in this case also PGIM, then UTI, and then Parag Parekh and all, they are coming. So again UTI is also there. If you want, you can take PGIM also, because they have come up so many times. I think it is good enough to take a fund like this, although it is a very, very small fund. So this is up to your choice whether you want to go for 1,000 crore or less than 1,000 crore fund or not. So इस तरीके से, and then you can also see the rolling return also. Rolling return जितना ज्यादा है, beta is also there and other things are also there. So rolling return में जो सबसे 1 year rolling return, again Parag Parekh, and now again Motilal Oswal has also come into picture, and Flexi Cap has also come into picture. But see, हम लोगों ने जो 3 फंड अभी तक सिलेक्ट किए हैं, out of top 5 they are all there in this 3. So we are analyzing funds based on these criteria, and finally on the basis of P ratio also you can do that, small cap and previous years, finally the returns. So last year return, this is the return of these funds, and PGIM, Franklin, UTI, Parag Parekh, and all they have come. So this is again, and out of all this top 5, we have already selected 2 of them. So based on the returns also, so this is coming fine. So now what we do, we can just put next. जैसे हमने next डाला, so finally we have identified these 4 funds, okay, which is like Flexi Cap Fund, UTI, Parag Parekh, IDFC, and Kotak IDFC. So they are the fund based on various criteria. They look good. Ab iske baad, see, this criteria of choosing your and mine can be different. It can be different for different people. But now we have all these data. And after 1 month, when you will have everyday data changing, this format and all will again look a little more beautiful, little more better. And I'm sure you will have a very good reason to understand things. Now this thing, you can just download it. So we have an option of downloading here, download data, and then this whole Excel sheet will come, and you can actually do whatever way you want to share it with your investors. I will show you one more thing, which is on the debt fund side, and then we are hybrid. I'm not doing, because anyway it is going to be there, and they can actually help you. Now in debt fund also, सबसे बड़ी और सबसे important चीज क्या है, आप लोगों को क्या देखनी, AUM. If the AUM is small, you should not invest into that. So until and unless the AUM is less than, let's say 1,000 crore, first you will have to select a fund. Okay, so let's take, समझ लीजिए dynamic bond fund लेते हैं हम लोग. You can take any varieties. There are all are there. So out of these dynamic bond fund, you can see AUM. Now again, another important thing is you should see how much is AAA. So if AAA कम है, so we are not going to invest into that fund. But AAA के साथ साथ there is something more which is called the sovereign fund. This is SOV. Let's say this particular fund is having 70% SOV and 26% SOV and 70%, which means 96% is almost AAA. So that means this is a good fund. And yield to maturity, देखने से क्या समझ में आता है? This is the return which this particular fund will generate. But yield to maturity minus expense ratio is the return, which means आपको देखना है net YTM क्या है. So net YTM सबसे ज्यादा है इन सब फंड्स का. तो सबसे पहले तो आप देखोगे net YTM किसका ज्यादा आ रहा है. तो 7.33, which is one of the fund is ICICI Pru Debt Management Fund. But we will not invest into this fund. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका AAA is 0 and AUM is less. So we will exclude this fund. Second is Franklin. AAA is almost 0. Even it is a very good fund, maybe it can give you good return, which is 7% plus, but still you will not invest into this fund. Third comes is Axis Dynamic Fund. Now, iska AUM bhi acha hai, okay. AAA is 70% plus sovereign is 26%, which means 96% of the portfolio is AAA and sovereign. I think this is a good fund, one can take to this. So then we move further. उसके बाद में रिटर्न ज्यादा आ रहा है निपॉन. सो निपॉन का भी if you see AAA, no, there is nothing. But again, if you see sovereign, 94% is into government bonds and all. So I think at this point of time, even this looks good. So you can also take to this. And AUM is also reasonably not bad. So this way you can actually identify some of the funds, and then basically you can continue to move further looking at the AUMs also, and then you will see the last 1 year CAGR. So decreasing, which means whichever is giving you the highest return there and you can invest. There are so many funds, but you will have to see the AUM also. So Kotak Dynamic Bond Fund has come in the picture. But you will have to see this and then the sovereign thing. So if both of them are okay, 43 and 33, it's more or less 76% is AAA, which means little risk is there, but again return also is 4.91. So if you want, you can add this to the portfolio also. Okay. So Kotak, again, this will be the third or fourth choice, not the immediate choice, but. And then you will have all these ratios which is also there. इसमें सबसे important ratio है जो आपको देखना है, which is again all this standard deviation, ending weighted order में है, देख लिया आपने, and based on that you can actually decide upon. And then previous year return, information ratio. But I think these two, whatever we have done, that is more important. And information based करके अगर देखो, so you see that Axis, Dynamic, Kotak, they have already come up in the top 3-4 list. So whatever we have selected is more or less good. So that way we can just move further. So finally, ये 3 funds हमने select किए हैं. This is the AUM, this is the AAA. You can download the data and you can have all these options. You can remove the columns. I have not removed. These all can be removed also, so that whatever way you want. So this is the way you have actually identified a mutual fund जिसमें आपको invest करना है या clients के लिए, which is better. Okay, so this was about the mutual fund, how you can actually do. Now we also have equity and financial plan. So before we move further, I will just request if anybody is having question, you can raise hand and we can answer that. Or I will just finish the equity and the financial planning, one-page plan, and then we will come to you. Okay. So if we just do the equity part, then chalo equity part kar lete hain, and then we will come to that. So then we move to the equity thing. Again, lot of people बोलते हैं हमको इसका इतना जरूरत नहीं है, we are not advising on equities and all. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है तो आप मत करिए, but we have something. So if you want, you can do it. So live data practices again, which is there for people who have done RVCC, and it helps. So like here, you know, we are updating the data also now, not every day, but इसका भी ये प्रोटोकॉल है, सिस्टम है. So like this is again the 20th April का data है. Till that time whatever the things have come. Now you have to just add filters. Okay, currently we have 1675 stocks, equity companies which is there. See, this is the list data. उनका सब कुछ है, all the data is there. Net profit, debt equity ratio, return on net worth, sales growth, net profit growth, pledge ratio, institutional holdings, price, 52-week high, and then trailing P ratios. Everything is there, which sector they are and the previous year returns. Now, fundamentally, which company is good, based on that you need to invest. तो वो कैसे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे हम लोग, कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? आई थिंक फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस का जो गेम है और वर्कशॉप है, इफ यू अटेंड दिस होल थिंग विल बिकम वेरी वेरी इजी फॉर यू. तो लाइक हमारे जैसे यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जैसे हम लोग सेक्टर लेते हैं, हमने अगर टॉप 5 सेक्टर्स लिया, जैसे हम टॉप 5 सेक्टर्स लेते हैं और ओके करते हैं, सी यू आर ओनली लेफ्ट विद 184 कंपनीज, which means all the companies are not there, and you want to be with the winner only. Abhi jaise real estate or maybe what do you call hospitality industry not working, so why will you invest into such sectors? अभी फार्मा अच्छा कर रहा है तो हम फार्मा में करेंगे, आईटी अच्छा कर रहा है तो हम आईटी में डालेंगे, FMCG is doing well so we will invest into FMCG, finance sector is doing well so we will invest into finance sector. So that way we can actually identify and we can see which is good. So total 1675 stocks are there. अब then sector, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, sales growth कितना है. If a company is not growing into sales, okay, then probably it's not a very good idea to invest. So हमने sales growth लिखा there. Let's say 10% sales growth है, then it is good. So आपने देखा कि as you can see, this has now become 336 companies. Only on one parameter from this 1600 companies, it has become 336 companies. Same way, then we will see net profit growth. Net profit, again, we will see at least a company is giving a 5% minimum profit. Once we put this filter, then you see it has become 264 equities. So now हम लोग को ये नहीं मालूम कौन सा स्टॉक देखना है नहीं देखना है, on the basis of fundamentals, and then there are parameters also which we will share in the master class. So that way we just do it, and finally no, we also just see how much what is the debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio क्या होना चाहिए? Less than 1 होना चाहिए. Okay, if it is less than 1, it is good. तो जैसे हम करते हैं, देखिए 227. See, the number of companies are reducing. This is a method called filtration method. Okay, so and then we can write return on net worth. ये कितना है? Which is again, if you want, it should be more or maybe no, it should be positive at least. हम लोग देखना चाहते हैं. So हमने देखा, देखिए only 175 companies are left now. हम लोगों ने भी started with 1600 companies. Now pledge, अगर if some company is pledging their share with some other company, मतलब that is not good. So we are writing it less. जिसका pledge नहीं है, they are the companies we will invest into. So now 154 companies are there जिन्होंने अपने shares को pledge नहीं किया है, which means promoters are not pledging their shares. If a company is pledging their shares, it means it's not a very good company. Institutional holding, if a company, if a mutual fund company or an insurance company or an FII is investing into a company, that means that's a good company. So agar kisi, so we will write greater than 1. Okay, so we'll just see how many companies are there. So now we are only left with 87 companies. See, from 1600 stocks, we have only come to 87 companies, and that way, and then we can actually see the returns also. Let's say order of return हम लोग लिख सकते हैं descending. So once we do that, we will see that these are the companies which is like performing top, and then we can select. Last year return has been 60, and when once we select, there are more criterias. Maybe you want to select 10, 15, 20 companies or something like that. So let's say I have selected 9 companies or maybe 10 companies, and all these companies, once you have selected, then you just go to next, and then this is now available to you. Okay, most of the companies have come from finance and investments. This has again become a sectorial pick for you. And this you can actually just download this data and see. And then you can see how much return is actually happening. You could have taken also P ratios. See the details things we will do, but again, we have all the data of all the stocks, whatever is there. So if you stocks ka karna chahte hain, you can do that. Mutual fund is there, calculators are also there, and a one-page financial plan. So this is what is there. For volatility coach, we have a lot of other things, which is like softwares are there, presentations are there, and daily messages are there. So that is something which we just don't want to share now. The only thing which we think that you can actually create your own stock portfolio just by identifying through this filtration method fundamental ways. So whatever is good, once you identify, then you can actually glimpse of volatility game. Okay, the glimpse of volatility game. So there are a lot of so many volatility coaches and all are there. We will just share it. Okay. So till now, any questions if you have, you can just ask. And so this is what I've already shared the details. So this is the FFF Pro membership, where you can have starting from the month of May, this master classes, the 6, and then you have 4 other master classes based on these products, how we'll be using, and this conference, which will also give you 9 CPD points and the whole years of engagement and a tribe to be with. And I'm sure it will be a very good experience for all of us. And I can assure you that if we are able to use these tools and reach out to more and people online virtually, I can assure you that you can double the number of clients which you have. And the whole idea is हम लोग कैसे कितनी जल्दी से अपने clients के numbers को double कर सकें. And that's this is the only way. और मेरे को कोई तरीका नजर नहीं आ रहा है ना clients के पास जाने का, ना उनसे मिलने का, ना influence करने का. आप उनके संग engage रहो, दिखाओ, कुछ भी करो. तो ये ऐसी आदत हो जाएगी so that in future में आप जब ऐसे भी जाओगे ना, तभी भी आप चाहोगे कि उनके संग ये सारी की सारी चीजें करो. Okay, so yes, a lot of us would like to have feedback from some of our VCs. So we have many of them are present. So I am just allowing to mute and mute everyone. So Niranjan ji, you have a question, and some of us, whoever is present, please, Samir, you are there, Jairaj ji, you are there. If some of you trust me, some of you can just, yes, absolutely, you're free. This is, you're practicing these tools, okay. So this is what is something new, and I really look forward to have you all on board, and maybe we can really help a lot of clients, reach out to a lot of clients, and do a lot of things for everyone. Okay, Niranjan, you can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Just very good presentation, sir. Thank you. What I wanted to ask is in the bond fund.